हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल स्वाति वर्मा स्टाइल। तो मैं आज आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करने वाली हूँ कि ये एक ब्लिंगी नाइट आउट काइंड ऑफ अ हैवी मेकअप लुक विद हैवी बेस कैसे अचीव कर सकते हैं। तो अगर आपने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है स्वाति वर्मा स्टाइल्स को तो अभी के अभी सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बेल आइकॉन को हिट कीजिए। और विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम लेट्स मूव इनटू द वीडियो। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, व्हेन यू आर आउट फॉर when you want to do like a heavy duty makeup, तो सबसे important चीज़ होती है कि आपका बेस should be very strong. And when I say base needs to be strong, that doesn't mean layering up on product, but that means it needs to be flawless. So first of all, the biggest hack that I do is applying ice on the face. So I just use like a normal towel and just do icing on my face. And use your moisturizer because I'm having a lot of breakouts, so I'm using Cetaphil moisturizing lotion these days. So it is very good for sensitive and acne prone skin because it is non-greasy. So I'll just take very little amount because it is very good, like it is highly moisturizing, and I'll apply it on my face very liberally. Now after icing and moisturizing my skin, I'm using this MAC Pep and Prime Fix Plus. So it is a very good primer, so I'm just going to spray it on my face. Now once your face is dry, because I want it to be very dewy, a highlighted kind of a makeup, so I'm using this Makeup Revolution Ultra Strobe Balm. It is in the shade Euphoria, and as the name suggests, it's a balm, so it's like a cream. I'm going to apply it on the high points of my face. Now I'm using my orange concealer, my Kryolan orange concealer, and with the help of a brush I'm applying it on the pigmented areas of my face, like under eyes and areas which I want to conceal. After concealing my face, I'm going to use my foundation, and I'm using my most favorite foundation, which is the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. I'm just going to mix 1 drop of oil into this. So I'm using my Bubbly Organics Rosehip oil, just 1 drop of it. Mix it together and apply it on my face. So now the foundation is done, and now I'm going to conceal certain parts of my face. So I'm using this NYX HD Studio Concealer in the shade CW06, and I'm going to just conceal my under eyes, bridge of the nose, certain areas which I feel are not covered enough, like some acne marks, corners of the mouth, and now just blend it off. Now I'm using this stippling brush and kind of blending the entire makeup. So I'm just using this nude shade from Essence here. Using a nude shade and not my regular red lip because I'm going to do heavy eyes, so I really prefer lips to be a little toned down. So I don't prefer both the eyes and the lip to be very loud. So that's why. So now I'm going to quickly do a very soft contouring using this LA Pro Concealer. Using a beauty wedge, I'm going to blend it off. Now I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me loose powder in the shade light medium, and with my beauty blender I'm just going to put it on here. Okay, let's do our brows quickly first of all. So I'm using this Milani pomade with this stick that it comes along with. Now one hack that I really like is, you know, with this same concealer, I just want to define my eyebrows. And with a brush I'll just blend it off. This kind of instantly, so you see the difference? So this kind of instantly cleans it up. Okay, now I'm using this Makeup Revolution Flawless 4 eyeshadow palette. I'm just going to do a classic smoky eye with this color on top of it. So I'm just going to take this black coal and with this kind of a flat brush, I'm just applying it. Once we think we have placed enough color, now we need to blend it off. This kind of a fluffy brush. Now once you've blended off the color, just take a brown shade, like I might take this one or this. Let's take this one, and with this kind of a brush, let's just do some outer crease line. So you can see it looks so intense now. And now I'm going to use a similar shade glitter on top of it. So I am taking this Makeup Revolution Eyes Like Angels palette, and it has beautiful shades. So I'm going to do an eyeshadow series, like eyeshadows you need to have in your kitty. I'm going to take a little bit of this Fix Plus powder on my finger, and then kind of just apply it like that, just on the center of my eyelid. How pigmented it is looking, because I've just used a wet liquid. Once we've applied this, so I'm going to now blend it off again to give a very neat effect. I'm like you, I struggle a lot with lashes, but we've got this. Now loading up on the mascara again, and now just applying a little bit of, that is it. Now I'm just rubbing off the powder that we had applied. Luckily there's no fallout of the eyeshadow, that's why I love Makeup Revolution eyeshadows. Now applying my blusher. A little bit of highlighter. So guys, this is the final look, and so this was, I think, the easiest glam makeup that I could teach you, and this is my go-to glam makeup when I want to go heavy on the base and heavy on the eyes. So I mean, that's the max heavy that I go for any outing. And of course, as I told you, when you're doing heavy eyes, please go very light on the lips, because it kind of balances your makeup. I can't carry a red lip with this outfit and with this kind of a makeup. So you just need to balance it up and keep practicing, so you will get there. So do tell me कि आपको ये video कैसा लगा. If you like this video, do give me a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel Swati Verma Styles, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. So now I will meet you with another look, another makeup hack in my next videos. Till then, practice social distancing, use hand sanitizer, stay beautiful, stay happy. Bye bye.